When you switch carriers, oftentimes you will buy a new phone, but now people are keeping their phones longer and longer. And when you switch carriers, sometimes you want to bring that phone with you. But before you do that, you need to unlock your phone. Today, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm Sherry Riggs. You're watching Whistleout TV. Now, before we jump into individual carrier policies, there are a few universal requirements that you need to fulfill for every carrier before they will unlock your phone. First, your phone needs to be fully paid off. Your account needs to be in good standing. Your phone can't be reported lost or stolen, and your phone has to be active on each carrier network for a certain amount of time. I will go over that timetable later in the video. Each carrier will also ask you for specific information related to your cell phone account, like your account number, your phone number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, your IMEI number, and a few other pieces of information. So be sure to have that handy before you request an unlock code. Once you meet the unlock requirements and have this information on hand, it's time for you to unlock your phone. First up is AT&T. To unlock your phone from the AT&T network, your phone has to have been active for at least 60 days. And then to unlock it, it's really easy. All you need to do is go to att.com/device unlock and fill out the form. If you have all the information previously mentioned handy, filling out this form will only take a few minutes. After filling the form out, you will hear back from AT&T in about 2 days with either a confirmation that your phone is unlocked or a denial. If you're denied, you'll want to contact customer service. Next up, we are talking about how to unlock your phone from Verizon. Now, it's pretty simple with Verizon. If you bought your cell phone before July 2019, your phone probably came unlocked. All you need to do is insert a SIM card from your preferred carrier and you should be good to go. If that doesn't work, you may need to reach out to customer service for help. If you bought your phone since July 2019, you will have to wait 60 days, then Verizon will unlock it automatically. Now, next up is Sprint. To unlock your Sprint phone, your device must be or have been active on the Sprint network for a minimum of 50 days. Then you can call Sprint customer care. You can find that number in the description below. Lastly, we're going over T-Mobile. To have your T-Mobile phone unlocked from the network, your phone has to be active for at least 40 days if you're on an installment plan. Now, if you're on a prepaid phone or a prepaid plan, you have to have your phone active for at least 1 year or have loaded $100 onto your account since the time you bought it. If you are in the military, there are generally exceptions with each carrier to having your phone unlocked. All you need to do is contact your carrier's customer service and show your proof of deployment with your deployment papers, and they will generally unlock your phone. If you have any more questions about how to unlock your phone, let us know in the comments below and we will respond as soon as we can with the best information possible. Also, look in the description for any answers you might be needing. I'll be putting links to any of the articles I mentioned, and I'll be putting the numbers to all of the carrier customer care so you can call them and get your phone unlocked right away. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We have a link on the screen right here. All you need to do is click it. I'm Sherry Riggs. Thanks for watching Whistleout TV.